Hi everyone, welcome to another easy dinner recipe. Very fast. This time I want to make a shrimp sauce for pasta. You see, I'm already making my pasta and this sauce is so fast. We just need to blend a few things, toss everything together, put in the air fryer, 13 minutes and dinner is ready. So let me show you how I'm going to make it. For my sauce, I'll be using fresh lemon juice, half of green bell pepper, yellow chili, garlic, ginger, white of spring onions. I'll toss the green on the pasta when it's done. And this is water leaves. Don't worry, you'll see how I'll use it. And of course, my shrimps, baby shrimps. Then I'll also use sesame oil and fish sauce. If you don't have fish sauce, just use salt. That's basically what it's for. Everything will be going inside this baking tray and into the air fryer. So let me show you how I'm going to stack up the water leaves, the shrimps, and the sauce I just made. Look at that. I wish you can smell the aroma right now. It's beautiful. Let me get my pasta. Let me just tell you, I make the most delicious foods ever. Give me my accolades, Jare, if you know how delicious this is. I'll see you in the next video.